You've got warrants out for your arrest. You are going to jail today. Hey.
Oh, what do we have here? Today we have when officers realize she's wanted for trashing a McDonald's by body cam watch. This should be a good one. Let's get it.
On May 10, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for failing to stop at several traffic signals flashing red.
That car did hit everything but the lottery.
Keep the windows
Shit.
rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
That car sound like it smoked about 8 packs of cigarettes a day.
Yeah, the driver's license number? Okay. What is
That car ain't got no fluids in it.
your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What she got to do with it?
Just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay?
She wasn't in the car with you doing that dumb shit. Why she need to talk to you for?
743 me on 2.
They got echo cop cars now?
Just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Oh.
Yeah, David.
They got a ride along so the ride along can see how cops do their job, but he's finna be in for a rude awakening with this car. Little does he know.
Pulled up. Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana.
Yeah,
Bust down
There
Tatiana.
2 N's, I guess.
Damn.
99 times 3.
Oh, that's it.
That car is literally hanging on by a thread. That belt needs some deodorant.
Do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You are going to jail today.
Who the f do you think you are to sit there and roll up your window when he tell you you're going to jail? Just do this shit the right way. Get out, put your hands behind your back. You know what I'm saying? Instead, it seemed like you finna take the stupid route and traumatize your kid.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right, I'm gonna comply, but don't. All right, cool down.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right, for real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed.
These cops are super chill. I would have been pulled her ass out.
Tatiana, step out of the car.
What she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell
I'll
her as soon
explain
as
to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana.
But you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out.
You
I
do.
don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay,
That's her mama.
don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Yeah, I would have been yanked her ass out.
You need to step out, or you're gonna catch
I
another
can
charge.
explain that,
Okay.
but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're gonna be detained first.
She's got one.
Yep. Come on.
They're super patient.
Come on up.
I would have been taking his ass to jail too. Why are you trying to grab on her? Stop what? She going to jail. She got warrants. There's no way around that. Now, if they'd have made a mistake with the warrants and they call dispatch and the warrant is in the system and dispatch say, hey, this has been botched or it's cleared, then she get to go on her way. But dispatch ain't say that. So I'm pretty sure if they didn't say that, she got to go in and take care of that. But to sit there and be acting like this in front of your child, I don't know why people do this type of like I wouldn't want my child to see this whatsoever.
Hey.
I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up.
That's the problem. You wasn't doing nothing, and that's why you got your ass pulled out the car. All you had to do was get out, go to the back, and they would have arrested you the right way, and they tried to be patient with you. They even said, hey, we don't want to do this in front of your child.
They got out the car.
Y'all got me so
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now. Cause
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kid.
got your bitch ass.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All three of y'all big ass
10, 15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass motherfuckers. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
Because you wasn't listening.
It only took one.
You was not listening. That's what happens when you don't listen.
Shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why took three?
We gave you the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me
Yank
why
the
you trying to
stupid
detain
ass.
me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides? Yeah. Anything else on you?
Yo, stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
I hate people with these nasty types of attitudes, bro. Like, just end it already.
All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passed.
And we in Tallahassee, Florida. I already knew it.
Can you stay with these two bills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of her pocket. Right on. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
Now, because
I don't
we're
want to hear
getting a
that. I
fight
don't
up
want to hear
here.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all
And I
count,
gave her
bro.
the
You
opportunity.
count.
I gave her the opportunity to not do this in front of the kids.
I'm not talking.
Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
I wouldn't even say nothing to his dumb ass unless you want to get arrested. You good to go on about your day. You have no warrants. You good to go. Bye. I wouldn't even have to say nothing because what is there to talk about? Your sister didn't listen to the commands. She did what she wanted to do, and as a result, that's what happened to her. It wasn't because of her skin color. It was because of her funky ass attitude. At the end of the day, cops are still human. You feel me? So if you act stanky and shitty with them, they gonna act stanky and shitty right back with you. If you act cool and laid back, you feel me? That's pretty much how they gonna act with you. That's been my regard when it comes to police. I don't know how other people have dealt with the police, and I'm pretty sure there are some up individuals out in law enforcement. I'm not saying that, but this guy seemed pretty chill.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this?
Oh, now you want to be a girl.
Too big to be doing all that.
786.
Now you want to be a girl.
You got hit on the face. Did I really?
They always want to be girls when it's beneficial to them.
Where? Oh, no, that was from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, I've been taking.
Party favor.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there.
Okay.
Hate y'all motherfuckers.
No.
If you start that, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You. I hate y'all motherfuckers. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we?
I'm pretty sure they don't like your ass neither. Especially when you doing all this extra shit. And why is you trashing the McDonald's? The workers there is probably like barely making minimum wage. So what was the point of that anyway?
You're off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up. Excuse me.
Let's go.
His ass ain't never doing this shit again.
Can you copy a starting knowledge?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names. It only took one of y'all to get me out the car. One, not three. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's up?
This one might be Oxy because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
Y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right, sounds good. I'll do it once I get it.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect shit but your ass and each other.
So I guess you having warrants didn't play a part in this, right? Or your attitude. I love people that don't take accountability. Like, just, oh, God.
No.
Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I do not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line.
They just left her?
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Cause you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. All that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough. You could take all that off. You feel like you got down, you got to save them up. Cause you got all that shit on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off.
Why would they need to do that? Why would they need to go to the hood to show themselves? Some people are just so ass backwards, it's not even funny. It's actually heartbreaking.
Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty, dirty.
I thought she was about to start singing a Boosie song.
Now one of y'all better not say shit to me when I get in that bitch either. Now one of y'all.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And also don't forget to hit that like, share, and comment button as well. And that's it, baby. We out. Oh, what do we have here?